Bienvenidos! Welcome everybody. In this video, I want to talk about the differences between ser and estar. They both mean to be in English. The verb ser is used to talk about permanent or long-lasting characteristics or qualities. These include things like nationality, physical descriptions, professions, and relationships. On the other hand, the verb estar is used to talk about temporary states or conditions. These include things like location, emotions, and physical conditions. There are always exceptions to the rules, but we'll take a look at some examples to help you out with the difference. We'll start with ser. For example, la mesa es grande. La mesa es grande means the table is big. Los perros son animales inteligentes. Los perros son animales inteligentes. Dogs are intelligent animals. El cielo es azul. El cielo es azul. The sky is blue. La casa es antigua. La casa es antigua. The house is old. Los niños son muy creativos. Los niños son muy creativos. Children are very creative. La comida es deliciosa. La comida es deliciosa. The food is delicious. So all of these sentences are describing something. We can use ser with relationships as well. For example, ellos son mis hermanos. Ellos son mis hermanos. They are my siblings. Roberto es mi mejor amigo. Roberto es mi mejor amigo. Roberto is my best friend. And we also use ser with professions. Ella es una bailarina profesional. Ella es una bailarina profesional. She is a professional dancer. Let's take a look at examples with estar. Estoy en casa. Estoy en casa. I am at home. Estamos en la tienda. Estamos en la tienda. We're at the store. So both of these are examples of locations. We also use estar for temporary conditions. For example, el agua está fría. El agua está fría. The water is cold. Nosotros estamos cansados después del viaje. Nosotros estamos cansados después del viaje. We are tired after the trip. El gato está durmiendo en la cama. El gato está durmiendo en la cama. The cat is sleeping on the bed. La puerta está cerrada. La puerta está cerrada. The door is closed. La calle está llena de gente. La calle está llena de gente. The street is full of people. And we use estar with emotions. For example, ella está contenta hoy. Ella está contenta hoy. She is happy today. Estamos emocionados por la fiesta. Estamos emocionados por la fiesta. We're excited for the party. Estoy preocupado por mi examen. Estoy preocupado por mi examen. I am worried about my exam. I hope this is helpful. Do remember that there are some exceptions and you learn them as you go. But for the most part, you can use this as a guide to know when to use estar versus ser. Now go watch this video next to keep learning Spanish. Muchas gracias.